Dear student, today we shall learn in statistics. In next point is median. Median, 4 types of solution. First types, given observation 25, 35, 33, next and next. Then find the median. Question first, 25, 34, 33, 13, 20, 26, 36, 28, 19 and 34. Arrange the observation ascending or descending order. Minimum value 13, next greater value 19, 20, 20 next greater value 25, 26, 28 next value 28, 33, next value 34 and 36, 34 again and last value 36. Counting this number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Mid value of 10 observation. Left side 4 and right side 4. Mid value is 26 and 28. Fifth term and sixth term. Median equal to sum of mid term upon 2. 54 upon 2, then median for 27. Arrange the number of observation ascending or descending and find the mid value. Mid value is 2, 26 and 28. Sum of mid value upon 2, 54 upon 2 equal to 27. Even number. Next, odd observation के लिए next question 19, 59, 48, 35, 31, 30, 32 and 51. Ascending or descending order, minimum value 19, next value 30, next value 31, next 32, 35, 48, 51 and 59. Count the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 3, 6, 7, 8. Mid value of term. 3 left side and 3 right side. Mid the value of 2. Therefore, median equal to 32 plus 35 upon 2 equal to 37 upon 2. Divide by 2. Median is a 33.5. Sum of observation, first type of question. Then second type of question, odd observation. Odd observation, third question, 2, 7, 9, 14, 11, 13, 12. Arrange the ascending or descending order. Minimum value 2, next 7, next 14, next 11, 12, 13 and 14. Number of observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Mid value of this left side 3 and right side 3, mid value is 11, term of fourth. Therefore, median is 11. Second type of question, odd number of observation. Next, third type of question, frequency table xi and fi. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and frequency 10, 35, 27, 17, 6, 3 and 2. Next point, cumulative frequency. Find the cumulative frequency. 10 frequency and cumulative frequency is same. Next number 10 plus 35, 45. 45 plus 27, 72. 72 plus 17, 89. 89 plus 6, 95. 95 plus 3, 98. And 98 plus 2, 100. Sum of frequency equal to 100. Median class equal to n by 2. N means sum of frequency. 100 by 2. 100 by 2 means 50. Just greater cumulative frequency. Just greater cumulative frequency is 15 than 72. Therefore, median class cumulative frequency 72. Corresponding xi is 2. Therefore, median is 2. Then ungroup data xi, fi. Next point, cumulative frequency 10 as it is. 10 plus 35, 45, 45 plus 27, 72, 72 plus 17, 89, 89 plus 6, 95, 95 plus 3, 98, 98 plus 200. Then median class equal to n by 2. N is sum of frequency. 100 upon 2. 100 upon 2 is 15. 15 just greater cumulative frequency. Just greater cumulative frequency is 72. Corresponding value of x is 2. Therefore, median is 2. Okay, third type of question is median. Similarly, type of again question. Xi, fi, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. 2, 8 frequency 16, 26, 20, 16, 7 and 4. Also find the cumulative frequency CF. First frequency and cumulative frequency are same. 2. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 16, 26. 26 plus 26, 52. 52 plus 20, 72. 72 plus 16, 86, 88. 88 plus 7, 94. 95. 95 plus 4, 99. Cumulative frequency is last term 99 and sum of frequency sigma fi equal to 99. Next point, median class. Median class is n by 2 and sum of frequency 99. 99 upon 2, 49.5. Just greater cumulative frequency, just greater cumulative frequency 49.5 is 15, 52. Corresponding xi is 30. Therefore, median is 30. third type of median question, and last question, fourth type. Fifth question, class, frequency 10 to 15, 15 to 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, and 70 to 80. Frequency is 2, 6, 10, 17, 30, 15, 10, and 10. Last and fourth type of question, median, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. Therefore, solve the method median equal to formula L plus n by 2 minus C upon F multiplied by H. L is a lower limit of median class. N by 2 sum of frequency upon 2. C just greater CF is median class. F frequency of median class. H difference of upper limit and lower limit. Therefore, median class equal to n by 2. N sum of frequency and find the cumulative frequency. 2 as it is, 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 10, 18. 18 plus 17, 35. 35 plus 30, 65. 65 plus 15, 80. 80 plus 10, 90. 90 plus 10, 100. Sum of frequency is 100. Therefore, median class n by 2, n is 100, 100 by 2, 50, just greater cumulative frequency, 52 just greater cumulative frequency is 65. Corresponding class 40 to 45. This is a median class. L. L is the lower limit of median class is 40. F. Frequency of median class is 30. C. Cumulative frequency of median class just greater, 35. H. Difference of lower limit and upper limit 10. And n by 2. Sum of frequency 100, 100 by 2 is 50. Put the value of formula and solve the question. Median equal to L plus n by 2 minus C upon F multiplied by H. Put the value of L. L is a lower limit of median class, 40. N by 2 is 50. C means cumulative frequency is 35. F means frequency of median class, 30. And h is difference of lower limit and upper limit is 10. 0 to 0 cancel. 40 plus subtract 15 minus 35. 50 minus 35, 15 upon 3. Cancel 3 to 15, 5 times. 40 plus 5, 45. Median is 45. First, cumulative frequency, find the and median class n by 2. N is sum of frequency, 100 upon 2, 50. Just greater cumulative frequency, is 65. Corresponding class is 40 to 50. There is a median class. L is a lower limit of median class 40. F is a frequency of median class. C is a cumulative frequency is 65, just 35. H is a difference of lower limit and upper limit, and put the value is formula. Next question. Class and frequency. 10 to 25, 25 to 40, 40 to 55, 55 to 70, 70 to 85, 85 to 100. And frequency is 6, 20, 44, 26, 3 and 1. Next, find the cumulative frequency. First frequency and cumulative frequency is same. 6 plus 20, 26. 26 plus 44, 70. 70 plus 26, 96. 90 plus 3, 99. And plus 1 is 100. Sigma Fi is 100, sum of frequency. Next, find the median class. Median class n by 2. N is 100. 100 by 2 means 50. Just greater cumulative frequency. 50 to just greater cumulative frequency is 70. Corresponding class 40 to 55. This is a median class. L, lower limit of median class 40. F, frequency of median class 44. C, cumulative frequency of 26. H is a difference of lower limit and upper limit 15. And n by 2, also find the 50. Put the value of formula and find the median. L, 40, n by 2, 50, cumulative frequency C, 26, frequency F, 44, and H is 15. 40 as it is, subtract 50 minus 26, 24 upon 44, multiply by 15. Cancel 4, 6 times and 11 times. 40 plus 90 upon 11. Divide by 99 upon 11. 8 times, 0.1 time, Therefore 48.1 is a median. Thank you.